Welcome to the comprehensive guide on how to resell Temu products in 2025. Temu is a popular e-commerce platform that offers a wide range of products at competitive prices, making it an ideal platform for resellers. First, create an account on Temu and browse through the various products available. Look for products that are in high demand and have a low price point. Research the market to determine the demand for the product and the prices at which similar products are being sold. Once you have identified the products you want to resell, place an order on Temu and have the products shipped to you. Temu offers fast and reliable shipping, which makes it easy to receive your products quickly. After receiving the products, inspect them for quality and authenticity. Take high-quality photos of the products and write detailed descriptions to post on your reselling platform. You can resell Temu products on various platforms such as eBay, Amazon, Facebook Marketplace, or your own online store. Set competitive prices for your products based on your research and the prices at which similar products are being sold. Provide excellent customer service to build trust with your customers and encourage repeat business. Respond promptly to customer inquiries and resolve any issues quickly. To maximize your profits, consider offering discounts or promotions to attract more customers. You can also use social media platforms to market your products and reach a wider audience. Finally, keep track of your expenses and profits to ensure that you are making a profit from reselling Temu products. Adjust your pricing and marketing strategies as needed to optimize your results. By following these steps and tips, you can successfully resell Temu products and build a profitable online business. Remember to stay up to date with the latest trends and products on Temu to stay ahead of the competition.